Okay, I need to learn how to use SketchUp better. So the first thing I'm going to do is I need see what comes up from this. Okay, so these are like city buses. Boom, there we go. Class A motor coach. Oh, here's one with slide outs. That might be actually, let's use this one. Now I've been told, see where it says load into model, it's usually good to load it into a separate file just to see how many facets there are, because you can overload your model really quick. And I'm thinking that's what this symbol means, this hexagon with 14,000 on it. Yeah, see, some of these are bigger than others, but that's okay. Let's just take this one, hit OK. I'll load it in here anyways. All right, so this is cool. It gives me a reference. I'll plop that bad boy right there. And see if I can, where is he? So his wheels are below. Yeah, that needs to come up. That's weird. M blue. Let me just zoom. There we go. Let's put them right there. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to make a series of videos. And that's weird. Look at that. There's these little specks. I wonder what they are. Let's see what they are. This is bugging me. Alright, well, whatever. They're going to float there. I don't have time. I want to build a shop garage that can house this. And the whole reason I'm doing this is because I want to learn how to use SketchUp better. Boy, I don't multitask at all very well. So I'm going to go here, hit the yellow lock, or the green lock. Now let me look in the bottom right hand side of, wow, that's going to be big. 60 feet. Okay. And while I'm doing that, let's spin this around this way. And what is this, red? How far have I come over here? That noise you hear is me bumping into my microphone with the glasses, because it's right here, really close. Let's go 24 feet. Okay, and then we'll come in 96. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Yeah, okay. I need to stay on the yellow. No, see, I didn't do it right. Man, I hate that. Okay, so Z. You have to lock these. Otherwise, you start traveling in some weird angle. Let's see, how big do we want this? 48 feet. And then I want from here, yellow. I want 60 minus, let's do that. That would be what, 40? Well, let's just go 40. I think this is going to have to be a truss roof. yellow. Red. Okay, well, that didn't oh, it didn't connect right here. We can't have that. How do you fix that? Where's the super awesome command for that? All right. Well, I guess I could delete that and draw it again. Why didn't it snap right there? There's what I wanted. Okay, so now I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 and G, and that will make it a solid floor. And the bus is above the floor, but we'll fix that. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that's a pretty good size to park an RV in there, and let's say somebody was going to live in this RV, might as well have the slide outs out. So this would give it plenty of room to back in right here and then pop out the slide outs. In fact, I'm going to move this over just a little bit. I'm not really sure. I'll measure it later, but all right, so I'm doing a footprint using polylines because I'm going to use Medic BIM, starting with Nathaniel's foundation tool, and trace around this, because if I don't use a grid or if I just try to freestyle, I find it difficult to control. Let's see. I may move this in a little bit. This is what, 40 feet? That's kind of, you could almost get 2 cars in there at that length. I would like to have a wall across here to isolate the bus. You can have a door, whatever you want, but isolate the bus area, and then put in a couple of roll top doors, 10 feet wide, maybe 12 feet wide, whatever, and then like a standard door. In fact, this outside one would be nice to have a door on both ends where you could kind of go through, but it'd be nice to have a nice working shop right here. And this wall would keep any of the dust or mayhem you create from getting on the RV side of the house. So the ceiling over here would be probably 14 feet high, so that it could accommodate a roll top door of 12 feet. Some of these buses, I think federal law is 12'6" for the overpasses, so these buses are usually no taller than 12 feet. But I'll have to look into that and find out. So whatever ceiling height here, I think I'm going to maintain it over this part of the half of the shop, so that somebody could put a vehicle lift in here and lift a car up and drive another car under it and have plenty of ceiling height. And then this last part, make this ceiling standard height so that I could run a set of stairs up there. You could get up into this area, have it as a loft, and then another couple little set of stairs to get up onto this upper loft. So maybe it won't be. We'll have to just see what we can do here. Because I think what I'll do is I'll do a flat roof. That way I don't have, I mean, it'll be trusses, but it'll be like I-joists on a 3 and 12 or something. And then that way you can use all this attic space, not have to have truss webs in your way. All right, so that's the end of this video. We've gone this far. I'm going to turn this into a series, and we'll see how this goes.